Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Lock in LG K51s. What we have to do is connect test point to get the BRAM mode. Connect this test point to the ground and insert USB cable. Now go to the unlock tool, choose correct model, and click the erase FRP. Repeat the connection. Erase FRP, OK. Now test the phone. Reconnect the battery. We need to choose Wi-Fi, so phone is unlocked. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and until the next time.